Guys, welcome to Chiang Mai. We've touched down in the old town. Going to do a little bit of exploring and have a look at the Night Bazaar. Looks like a lively little area. Should be good to check out. Maybe get some bargains. Maybe get some food, have a look around. See what's going on. It's very lively around this area. I tend to find that Chiang Mai has a very cultural look about it as a city. Second biggest city in Thailand, and always have a good time here. As we get to the first couple of vendors, wooden carvings, bit of everything going on here.
I'm gonna take the green one.
There's a lot of markets and stalls, so something for everyone. The elephant print, if you're into that sort of thing. It's the Thailand uniform for the uneducated, I would say. As we walk through, we've got the very nice little food stall section. That's the good thing about markets, is there's so much quality street food, which I'll be getting into a little bit later when I get hungry. So you gotta love it though, haven't you? 200 baht for a fish. That's $10 for a whole cooked fish, which is fantastic. Always something tasty, except for those guys. Not for me, not for me. I don't think so. Not today. Not today. Back to the food area. Multiple food areas. Which of any markets what you want. Dumplings, I've seen a lot of dumplings. It's interesting. Khao Soi. Khao Soi is the best. For those that don't know, Khao Soi is a local northern Thai dish with crispy and soft noodles. Really good. So, 80 baht. Market's definitely got a vibe. Oh, beer is calling. Beer is calling. So it's going to be a big dub for me, I think. A nice cold draft beer. It's calling my name, so let's do it. Swadee Cup. What are we going to get? Draft beer.
Would you like something beer?
Yeah, draft, I think.
Beer. Beer very good.
So Chang, Tiger, San Miguel?
No Tiger, it's Chang.
Just
San
Chang?
Miguel, like
Oh, okay.
San Miguel Bangka.
Can I get San Miguel, please?
San Miguel.
Yeah, please.
Big.
Big glass, yeah. Cup.
Oh, sorry. Chang.
Ah.
No more.
Sorry, just Chang? That's a fine, yeah, okay. Yeah, big glass.
Big
Thanks.
glass, Chang.
Alright, comes the Chang. 170. Popcorn cup.
อันนี้สิเขาถือจับได้เลย
Cup and cup. it is. Ice cold Chang. Come up. Thank you. All right. Bad boy to go. Let's find a spot. There we go. Time to take a load off and enjoy our ice cold Chang. There we go, there it is. Let's go, Chang. This is what the doctor ordered, I say. In Chiang Mai, first day. Enjoying the vibe. It's been good here so far. Alright, cheers to an epic first night in Chiang Mai. It's going to be a fantastic couple of days. Got an elephant trip for tomorrow. That's going to be a half day to the most ethical elephant sanctuary in Chiang Mai, or one of the, definitely in the top 5. So it's going to be a really good day tomorrow. Looking forward to it. Followed by Halloween in the afternoon. So Halloween at night should be a vibe in Chiang Mai. So definitely looking forward to that. But the elephants tomorrow have been on my radar for a while. I did it a few years ago. That was a long time ago now. So looking forward to, cleansing your soul, catching up with the elephants in Chiang Mai. It's always a good time. So cheers to Chiang Mai. Cheers to that. Job. Coke and cup, thank you. So the last place I went to was the Night Bazaar street food area of Chiang Mai. So plenty of places to eat around here. I should have probably come here for food, but the vibe of the market I was at previously was good, so I decided to eat there. But this place looks really good for food. We've got plenty of wares for sale around the Night Bazaar area. Arts, crafts, etc. But the food is towards the back of the area, so we're going to head there and have a little bit of a look at what they're doing as far as overall food goes. Have a bit of a look around. We're down the bar section now, and as we walk back past a few of the tables, we get a better idea of what they are going to be doing for food around here. So we're just going to kind of find a way to cut through if we can, past the pool tables and whatnot, the bar area of the markets, which is where we're at now. So what we're going to do is walking around and just having a look at what food they do. If you come to the Chiang Mai Night Bazaar, as we enter here, we've got some spare ribs, which always a good idea. We've got a whole bunch of different foods that you can try. Probably walking a bit too fast. Unfortunately, deep fried food there. If you want to get some fried chicken, or desserts for ice cream is always good if you have a sweet tooth. They've got live music here too, as with a lot of market stalls, to enjoy the local flavours. Grapes, there's everything really. This market has everything. If you don't as we've just exited the main food area. We're just checking out the outside of the Night Bazaar, which is a really cool area. You can chill out, sit down, have something to eat, enjoy the surroundings, and enjoy the atmosphere of what the Night Bazaar brings. It's a really good place to spend your evening in Chiang Mai. So you can do a bit of shopping, you can get some food, you can relax.